Right, so I'm doing some more testing this morning, playing around the Ecu-gn, chasing a little problem, but I'm going to just mix some knowledge here. So here are, on the output test mode in the IOs, I can test what you see here, my fuel pumps, my fuel pump relays, and all these drivers. So the fuel pump relay here is just an on-off function. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's clicking. That's the fuel pump relay that drives the factory fuel pump relay. Okay, if you have a hot wire kit, it just lets the power go to the hot wire kit. PWM output 2 drives the fans. High current output 3 drives one of my safety LEDs. High current output 1, I'm not sure what it drives, but I hear something clicking. I have to check my notes. High current 2, don't think it's driving anything. PWM output 3, that's driving my alky solid state relay, which doesn't have power right now, so it won't work. PWM idle 1 is driving another one of my safeties. And then my tack output is driving my tack. And this is cool. I've got nothing there. Now I'm going to go to pulse. Turn to pulse. I have tack reading. And then I'm going to come over here, pulse frequency. Let's drop it down to, say, 15.6. And you can see it's dropped. Let's raise it up 78. And let's drop it down to 11. And then let's drop the pulse width down to 25. So messing with the pulse width doesn't really change a whole heck of a lot, but messing with the hertz does. Okay, and so then we have IAC 1, IAC 2, those are literally IACs, we're not going to test them. Injector I is my MAC valve. I can hear it clicking. And then injector J is my solid state relay for my fuel pump. My big pump, my 525 that I'm driving on stock lines. So I can't hear that because that's a solid state. And then of course we're going to disable test mode. So a good question to ask Eric or Bob would be on the fans, why don't I just put a solid state relay in there and drive the fans PWM and start them up nice and slow so it doesn't bog down the fans, start them up 25-30% and then ramp it into 100%. That would be something cool to try.